Hi, my name is John. I own Zarate Mechanics here in Arndell Park, New South Wales. I've been a mechanic for 15 years and we've started this business 6 years ago. I just love working on cars. It's always been sort of my dream because when we first came to Australia, my old man, my father is a mechanic. He's pretty much the one I look up to because he used to work at home and he was my inspiration. So he's currently working with me at the moment. He teaches me a lot, at the same time I teach him a lot because he's old school, I'm new school. So I learned a lot about EVs, I studied EVs. My dad's more on carburetors and just older generation cars, so we make a good team. The team at Zarate Mechanics, it's pretty much a family-oriented staff. So my wife Erin does all the books, accounting and anything that's got to do with running the business. My main mechanic, which is my inspiration, my father, Johnny, he's pretty much the key of this workshop because without my dad, I don't think we'll be where we are now. And I've got 3 other full-time workers, which is Junior, Johnny and Eric. Having those 3 boys, man, I wouldn't be able to do this without them because they work very hard and I treat them as a family. Every time we have a family gathering or it's my kid's birthday, they're always invited to come. And I just treat my shop as not a workshop, a family. At Zarate Mechanics, we pretty much do everything from tires, wheels, balancing, pink slip, blue slips, you name it, servicing, we do it all. Quality always comes first at Zarate Mechanics, especially the lubricants that we use. I've been using Castrol ever since I became a mechanic. I've never used any other oil. I use Castrol in every car that comes into the workshop. The times where I have to do all my personal cars, I use Castrol as well. We've been renting at the other shop for 6 years. Now we've actually had the cash flow and start up a new location. The vision for this place is to pretty much get 6 hoists up in here. I've got 3 hoists already set up. I've got 3 hoists coming from the old shop, just waiting for the fit out to happen and moving maybe hopefully at the end of the year. One advice I could give for mechanics that want to start up their own workshop is just do quality work. Don't cut corners or do shortcuts. If you do the right thing, you will never go wrong, and just work hard.